Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today is day 2 of the big push to get the tiny house remodel done upstairs. We just got done cutting a bunch of drywall, and I have a handful of cleats here. I'll get back with you up there if the wind's not too bad. It is really windy up there. Okay, so we just cut the drywall for these 2 big side walls, and what we're gonna have to do is get cleats in here, these longer ones. Get cleats in here, right like that, and then another one on the other end, and then get the drywall up here, set it on the cleats, push it up into place, and throw some screws in. Hopefully it'll go that easy. Then, once those 2 are in, we have these long ones here with the outlets in it, the knee walls, and when we get that done, the rest of it can just be cut, and then we'll stack it up over here. I probably should put that front window in first. Yeah, maybe we'll try to get that done too. Once we have the drywall up here, the stuff for the rest of this, then I can frame in this wall and we can get that skinned. I don't know if we can get this all done today, but we can certainly get a lot of it done. Alright, my nephew just pulled back up. What we gotta do is grab a sheet that's pre-cut over by the wood shop there, walk it over here, walk it up the ladder. We have somebody up on the top part, and we kind of just keep going, get it into place, and then start throwing screws in. Easier said than done. I'll set the camera up so you can see that on this next one. But I could probably just lift it up down there.
Oh, it's like way. Damn it.
Yeah, I was gonna get a new tip for that too. Forgot about that. Watch out for that screw. Yeah, lag bolt. Alright, quick update for you. We have the back 2/3 complete. Well, the drywall's all in and the window's in. Now we're going to bring up the remaining drywall and stage it back there, and then we'll start framing this in. Once this is framed in, I got to finish the wiring. Then I'll take that drywall and drywall the back. Well, we got to put the outside skin on as well. A lot to do. We'll see if we can get it done today. I'm trying to hide from the sun a little bit. The sun's starting to get a little bit low. It's about 5 o'clock. We got the window in, and this is all of the last of the drywall. Got that on this side. Now we can just close the window and that should be safe. And we got this wall, oh, probably 3/4 of the way framed out. It just needs a stud on either side and some blocking up towards the peak. I already have the center part of the skin cut and waiting over there, cut and marked. So I'm not really sure how much we're going to be able to get done tonight because it's starting to get late, but I do believe we're going to be able to get the last 2 sticks of the main frame and that cleaning up at the top. If that's all we get done today, that'll be great. Yeah, we got all this drywall. It's 2/3 of the drywall. Got some decent gaps right here, but that's because of some irregularities in the framing, and that's just fine. I'll mud that out. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, I'm having a hard time framing because we're moving pretty fast. I'm going back and forth and cutting stuff, and my nephew and brother-in-law are installing the stuff, so I'll try to get a bit more filming done in a little bit if I can. But I thought I'd get back with you before we had this way too far. Okay, it's been a long day again. Very fruitful. Like I showed you before, we got the window in. I still have to do the trim around here, but they're going to put a second coat of paint on that first. And then back here, one hell of a big job. We got all the framing in. And all that drywall that I showed you before as well. Beautiful. Now, I need to run a water line through here and several electrical lines, and then I'll be drilling through over there down to where the box is going here. Yeah. A lot more work, but this was a huge head start. So, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to start on the last of this wiring. I have a smoke alarm here, my lights up there, 2 more circuits over here, and I got to connect all of the circuits that were wired so far. Once I have that electrical and the plumbing done and the skin on the back, Natalie's going to come back and insulate this and put this membrane on the top here. Get that all taped up. Drywall's all ready. I'm going to cut that right here, put that in place, and then we got a lot of mudding and taping, and this and that and the other thing. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.